of the time, picking away at my thoughts like it's his day job. He's there for me when I'm not in need, pestering me till I can't speak no more. He says he needs me, and I oblige, and then I sink into his bed of lies. He says he wants me, but who knows? The taste of salt runs from my nose. He wants to be inside of me. I tell him no, but he won't have it any other way. He likes his petals plucked and his leaves laid. Why did he choose me? I'm a fighter, but not in the sheets. I couldn't see him, don't look him in the eye. So when he enters, it catches me by surprise. Salt, it's everywhere. Salt, it floods, overflowing from my eyes. Salt, it's everywhere. Salt, it floods, and I think I like it, and I think I'll let it. It comes in waves. 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 He's on my mind, oh, most of the time, picking away at my thoughts like it's his day job. He